Thank you very much. Please be seated. God is good and all the time. Msalimieni kwa hewa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Thank you very much, the Honorable Mother Wangari Karua and your family, your father, your mother, and the people of Kimunye for welcoming us here, for feeding us well, for the warm welcome. And we are indeed very, very grateful. I came with my wife, Pastor Dorcas, and several leaders. And we came here on a courtesy call to the Honorable Mother Karua, a distinguished leader of this republic, a defender of human rights, a senior counsel, an experienced public servant who has led a distinguished service to this republic. I came calling on the iron ready of this great country because where we are as a country, we need to reach out, to get counsel, to get advice, to pull our mights together, to put our resources together for the liberation of this great country. You all know where we are as a country. Every Kenyan is crying. The payslip holders, their payslips have been raided. They are all crying. Businesses have been shut down. There is no money in circulation. There is a lot of intolerance and repression. I was checking the other day in Nairobi, Nyamakema. 2 years ago, goodwill for a shop was 20 million. Today, all shops have closed. The shop owners are not asking for any goodwill. They just tell you, take the shop and pay us whatever you can. That is where we are as a country. And it calls upon great men and women of courage and resilience to rise up and lead the people of Kenya into liberation. Therefore, our coming here could not have been more appropriate. We have come to the right place because the Honorable Mother Karua has a great history of liberation. She has fought for the dignity of the Kenyan people. She has fought for freedoms of the Kenyan people. She has insisted on respect for human rights and good governance. It is for that reason that we came on calling. Many people may wonder because the Honorable Mother Karua and I were opponents in the last election. She was running mate to Raila Odinga, was running mate to William Ruto, and probably people thought that we cannot come together. But where we are as a country, we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. All of us must come together, men and women of integrity, and who mean well for this country. And I want to tell you, because I've left government 3 months ago, the way this country is going, there will be no country. Because the country is on downtrend in matters economy, theft of public funds, and too much corruption. And then again, intolerance and depression. Since the time of the white colonialists, brutal as they were against us, they never went for our children. This is the first time a government has gone for the children, our young people, the Gen Zs. We want to encourage our young people that they are on the right side of history. I want to affirm my children, my sons and daughters, the Gen Zs. Please carry on. You are doing a good job. And don't fear. Because if you don't, there is nobody else to do it. All institutions of oversight have been compromised. The Parliament, the National Assembly, the Senate.